Hi guys, Sean at Cowtown, USA. We've got a 2018 Bison Ranger. This trailer is just as close as new as you can get. As you see, it's got the full armor plating. It's got the polished full armor plating, I should say. Black skin, power awning, Goodyear tires, hydraulic jack, six-foot slide out, stainless nose, got your escape door. The escape door also does have a briar door latch on it. Makes it easy to use for a mud room. Close it and lock it behind you. Drop down windows with the built-in face guards. Big deep mangers. Like I said, Goodyear tires, aluminum wheels, LED lights on the side. There's your hay rack. A ladder going up to the hay rack, I should say. Step around here to the back. We've got a rear ramp. Swing out saddle racks. LED load lights over the saddle rack and the load door. You come in here, it doesn't appear that they've hauled a horse in here very much at all. It's got your stud divider. This trailer's also got, if I get the AC ducted back here to the horse area, lined and insulated ceiling, pop-up roof vents, airflow dividers. Then this side of the trailer here, I don't think there's a scratch or a mark on this trailer. It is close to as new as you're gonna find. Now let me go into the living quarters part and we'll show you what it looks like. Alright, we step in here. See right off the back, it's got the hickory interior. It's got the big fridge. Freezer on top. It's got storage above the fridge. Hanging closet right there. And a pantry. Slide around here. Another big closet right here as you walk in the door. It's got more storage up in the nose. This here is a hanging closet as well, right by the end of the bed on both sides. It's got a fold-out table. It does have a power awning. All your controls right here. It's got your bar stools with your breakfast bar. There's your couch. Doesn't hardly even appear that it's ever been set on. Does have ducted AC and heat. Big deep double sinks. Then in the bathroom, it's got a big walk-in closet. Open that up. Tons of storage in there. It's got the hanging bar, it's got the hat shelf up top. Lots of storage. Come right here in the shower. It's got the big neo-angle shower. Big vanity. Sink in the bathroom. Big deep medicine cabinet. Guys, if you're looking for a used trailer, give us a call. 573-885-6300. We've got this trailer and several more. Give us a call. 573-885-6300. Thank you.